Guys, this amazing landscape that you see behind me here are the Mesquite sand dunes. And this goes on for quite a ways. I think it's a mile long in either direction. The sand comes off the mountains that are behind us here and all around us, collects down in this area here, and it just sits here and collects over time. These sand dunes are just getting bigger and bigger, and they kind of change shape. This is absolutely incredible scenery. We're gonna walk around. There's plenty of dunes for us to go up and down and explore in. I'm gonna do that right now.
The Mesquite Flat sand dunes sit in the middle of Death Valley, circled by mountains on just about every side. Sand blows in from those mountains and the surrounding area and gets trapped here, creating the rippling waves and beautiful dunes this place is famous for. And with no real trail to follow out here, you're free to wander out as far as you'd like.
So walking through the Mesquite sand dunes out here in Death Valley, this is absolutely incredible. One of my favorite places to go in the world are the desert. I don't know, it's just something about the environment that really is a huge payoff for me. As you can see, heading out this way. And it is just dunes as far as you can see out to those mountains. And we were checking the temperature before we got in the car today, or when we were getting out. It was back up to 118 degrees. Out at the racetrack, it was only 98 degrees. So that's a big jump in an hour. But we're making it.
These dunes aren't the only ones in Death Valley, but they are the easiest to visit. They may cover a massive area, but the dunes start right at the parking lot, and even hiking all the way out to the big ones will only take you around an hour. Be very careful though. Even in the middle of winter, this place can get up over 90 degrees and near 130 degrees in the summer. Intense heat from the winds, the sand, and the sun, basically everything around you, will take it out of you very quickly. Our best advice is to travel in a group, grab extra water and snacks from the store nearby, and have fun exploring. We sure did.
How are these dunes treating you?
Man, it is oppressively hot. I don't think we can properly tell you guys how hot it feels. Like, it is 120 degrees. It feels like the surface of the sun. But it's really pretty.
It is really pretty. But it is really hot.
You can spend hours out here exploring around, searching for signs of life in the brush, hiking out as far as you can, or even just playing in the sand for a bit. We wanted to mess around with our new 360-degree GoPro Max, and this seemed like the perfect place to do it.
Sand dunes are fun. I took a little spill here doing a shot down the side of a dune, but we're kind of wrapping up here. We're gonna go get some rest. We're coming out back tonight to check this area out with the stars. So we'll see you guys in just a little bit.
The dunes are a great place to do some stargazing as well. We set up our camera for just a couple of hours, and we're able to get some incredible shots. It's all sky out here, and with nothing blocking your view or any lights for miles around, coming out here makes for an impressive light show.
This has been an amazing adventure here in Death Valley. And what better way to wrap that up than coming out here and viewing the stars. This is one of the best places in the world to come out and view the night sky. And we're taking that all in and just reminiscing about this whole entire trip, this portion of the trip. It's been amazing. Death Valley is full of wonders. It can be a bit harsh, but absolutely worth it. If you guys taken anything from this video and you have the opportunity to come out here, check it out because this place is amazing. We hope that you enjoyed everything that we've shown you so far, and thank you so much for your support. Remember, if you can, hit that like button, subscribe, and share the video. It really helps us out, helps us to grow. Stay safe, and have a great week.